Всем привет! Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha and I'm here to help you to learn the Russian language and to know more about Russian culture and mentality. Давайте начнем. Many people now go to ChatGPT when starting learning a new language, to build a study plan, break down a grammar rule, or to make a list of the most commonly used words. All of this is great, especially the last idea. You have the list of the most commonly used words, you learn them, and you can talk about any topic. Or you cannot. Unfortunately, that's not that easy. You have to understand how to pronounce a word correctly and how to use it properly. And that's where I can help you. I asked ChatGPT to generate a list of the 100 most commonly used nouns in the Russian language. And I've prepared 10 videos for you. In each video, we will go through 10 nouns together. I will explain how to pronounce a word correctly, its meaning, and also give some examples. You can find the list of the words from each video in the description. Also, I've prepared sets of flashcards for you. So, if you use flashcards for studying, don't forget to check the description of this video. The first word for today is время. Время. Re is soft here, m is soft here as well. Время. Время. Despite the fact that this word ends in я, it is a neuter word. Время, оно. We say хорошее время or свободное время. You also have to memorize the genitive form времени. Времени. We use the genitive case after words and phrases like мало, много, у меня нет. And we often say у меня нет времени. У меня мало свободного времени. More examples. Что ты делаешь в свободное время? К сожалению, у меня нет свободного времени. We also use the word время to mean period. For example, хорошее было время. The next word. Человек. Человек. The letter E without stress sounds more like a mix between E and I. Человек. Человек. For example, молодой человек. Молодой человек. We use this phrase to address a young man in Russian because you remember we don't use titles in Russian like Mr. Remember the plural form. Люди. Люди. In the genitive case, люди becomes людей. Людей. We use this form after много and мало. For example, в выходные в торговом центре много людей. The next word. Год. Год. The voiced d at the end loses its quality and we pronounce the voiceless t. Год. Год. Now let's look at which forms of this word we use after numbers. Один or 21, 31, 41 год. 2, 3, 4 or 22, 23, 24 and so on года. And from 5 till 20, 5, 20 лет. 5 лет, 6 лет, 7 лет и так далее. For example, например, я учу русский 1 год. When talking about age, we use the pronoun or a noun in the dative case. For example, мне 30 лет, or ему 30 лет, or ей 30 лет. In the question we use лет. Сколько тебе лет? Also, after the word много, we have to use the word лет. Много лет я живу в России. Our next word is ребёнок. Ребёнок. Soft ре. Ребёнок. Pay attention to the letter yo, because native speakers often don't write the two dots above ye. So you can see this word written with two ye. The plural form for ребёнок is дети. Дети. Let's look at which forms of this word we use after numbers. Один ребёнок. Два, три, четыре ребёнка. 5, 20 детей. У тебя есть дети? Да, у меня 2 ребенка. Or нет, у меня нет детей. The next word number 5. Жизнь. Жизнь. This word with the soft sign at the end, and it means that you have to remember the gender of this word. Жизнь, она, feminine. You might hear a short but very meaningful phrase. Это жизнь. And another example, a more complex sentence. Никогда в жизни я не прыгну с парашютом. Никогда в жизни. But никогда не говори никогда. Never say never. The next word number 6. Дело. Дело. This word has many meanings. The plural form is дела. Дела. And you know the question, как дела? Как дела? So the word дело can be translated as a thing, but also it can be translated as business. У него свое дело. It means he has a company, he is a businessman. And one more phrase, не твое дело. Не твое дело. The next word, день. День. Yes, another word with a soft sign at the end. День, он, masculine. You remember the phrase добрый день. Good afternoon. Добрый день. Note that the phrase translates to good afternoon, but the word добрый by itself translates to kind, and the word день means both afternoon and day. At the end of a conversation we say хорошего дня, хорошего дня. After numbers we use the following forms of this word. Один день, 2, 3, 4 дня, 5, 20 дней. For example, я планирую провести в Москве 2 дня. The next word is рука. Рука. So in Russian, this is рука, and this is also рука. This word is often used in the instrumental case. For example, я пишу правой рукой. Don't confuse this word with the word ручка. Ручка. But you can also use this word to remember the word рука. The next word is слово. Слово. Pay attention to the stress and pay attention to the unstressed O at the end. So, and since you don't hear the O at the end, you might have a common mistake. So, please memorize this word is neuter in Russian. Слово, оно. It's not feminine. So, for example, самое сложное слово русского языка – защищающийся. And also the plural form is слова. Слова. Pay attention to this. And the last word for today is глаз. Глаз. The voiced consonant z loses its quality at the end, so we pronounce the voiceless s. Глаз. Глаз. The plural form is глаза. Глаза. And of course, we often use this word in plural, especially while describing someone's appearance. For example, у него голубые глаза. That's all for today. Subscribe so you don't miss the next part. Support me with a like and a comment. Thank you. Увидимся. Спасибо. Пока-пока.